Does a technology firm need general liability insurance? What if they're an entirely virtual company? When I speak with founders of tech startups about insurance, we go through the list of coverage issues to be addressed. Tech E&O, cyber, D&O, or directors and officers liability are the issues that are on their minds. And when I bring up general liability insurance, I often get pushback. They'll say things like, we don't have an office, we're a virtual company, we don't have a physical product. Do we really need general liability coverage? Hi, I'm Gordon Coyle. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about the risk and insurance issues on the minds of business owners. And in this video, we're going to answer the question, does a virtual tech startup need general liability insurance? And my answer is yes, and here's why. A tech startup's primary risks are rooted in cyber and tech E&O, or errors and omissions coverage, but they still have exposure to traditional general liability risks that need to be addressed. They include plain old bodily injury, often referred to as slip and fall risks, and property damage claims, where you can potentially damage the property of others. But beyond that, general liability also covers claims that can arise from libel, slander, defamation, false advertising claims, copyright infringements, and damage to rental property. In addition, there may be times down the road when you rent a space for a meeting or you have a co-working space, and the landlords are going to often require certificates of insurance illustrating that you have general liability coverage. But here's the good news. General liability for tech firms is often bundled inside a business owner's policy or BOP policy that includes property insurance and a lot of valuable coverage extensions in one policy that's pretty affordable. In fact, it's pretty darn cheap for what it offers. How do you get a BOP or a business owner's policy? Well, you can buy it online, but often when you get a quote from a direct insurer, you're just getting one quote. And often that quote is from a big insurance company call center. How do you know that quote is the best price? And how do you know that it's the broadest protection? Also, how do you know how it coordinates with the other business insurance coverages you may have or will have in the future? I, of course, have a bias about buying insurance directly online from an insurance company or a digital broker, but hear me out. I think it makes more sense to go to a skilled broker who knows the tech space and can offer you a choice of insurance companies and find the best deal for you. Now, that best deal isn't necessarily the lowest price. It's a combination of price, coverages, and the reputation and the services of the insurance company. And that's what we do here at the Coyle Group. Often I get the question, does it cost more to use a broker? And the answer is no. In most cases, it does not cost more, and the whole cut out the middleman theory is really just a myth. On top of that, if you want to build a relationship with a trusted business partner to grow with and your firm, then using a broker for all of your insurance coverages, including general liability, makes a lot of sense. Have other questions or want to talk with one of our experts about general liability or a BOP or any other form of tech insurance? My contact info is in the description box below, and we look forward to connecting with you. Here are 2 more videos that you may find helpful on your insurance buying journey. Thanks for watching.